guys, how's it going? I'm Enrique, and I don't think I've ever shown myself in person on this channel before, but I wanted to talk about this channel really candidly. So this is Easy Drawings 101, and this is not my main channel. My main channel is Easy Things to Draw 101. Very close, right? And I also have a cute drawing channel called Easy Pictures. And those two channels have been more of my focus for the last few years, but I do love this channel still, and I really like the people on it, and everybody's always friendly, and I want to do something special on this channel to differentiate it from those, and I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to work on it slowly over the next couple of weeks, and I'm going to upload more frequently. I'm probably going to upload about once a week, every Monday or Wednesday. I haven't decided yet, but I want to talk to a lot of you guys every step of the way. Right now, basically what I'm going to do today in this video is I'm going to be drawing the Carnotaurus. Carnotaurus is a dinosaur from the new Jurassic World movie, and it's very similar to, like, if you think of a cheetah, what a cheetah is to a lion, a Carnotaurus is to a Tyrannosaurus. It's like a thinner, quicker version. Its arms are even smaller than the Tyrannosaurus's. It's smaller than a T-Rex. But yeah, I love this dinosaur. I think it's amazing. I drew a portrait of it, and that's what I'm going to go through right now. So this is going to be a speed drawing. And what I want you to do for this is I want you to sit back and enjoy it. It's really fast. I'm going to play it probably 4 times the speed it was recorded at. And I want you to notice to take, in terms of value, I want you to take from it is I want you to take note at how I'm moving my hand, and kind of the line weight variation and kind of the how much pressure I'm putting on my hand, how much pressure would I have to put on my hand to shade in that certain way. And that's a way of learning through osmosis, and that is just a part of the bigger puzzle, of course. But that's one big thing that one big way I learned as well, was watching other people, watching how their hands move. And it's like, oh, okay, they're taking their time, they're doing that, or they're doing this, or they're doing this, But I just want you to take a note of that, and I want you to absorb everything you're watching. And I appreciate all the nice comments. Say hi to me, guys. Talk to me. Also, if you do like this channel, press subscribe and click that like icon if you do like this format. And I will talk to you guys in the comments really, really soon. So.